Hey, how's it going, fellas? Welcome back to another market recap video. It's been a little while since I've recorded one of these videos and even taken a trade for that matter. It's been about probably a month and a half, 2 months since I've taken a trade on either NAS or the S&P. I've just kind of slowed down, with the holidays and whatnot, and price action really wasn't the best. I know that's not really an excuse, but it's the excuse I'm going to use. Nevertheless, let's just hop right into this. So we had this 4-hour draw on liquidity here. Boom. We also had another 4-hour draw on liquidity here. So those are like our higher time frame draws that we're using today. And then we had a 1-hour draw on liquidity here, which I was using as a take profit, but we'll get into the trade a little bit later. And then we also had a 4-hour break of structure, right? So that was making me bullish on the day, and we also had tapped in this 4-hour fair value gap, right? We'd filled in most of that. So after we broke structure to the upside, that was making me bullish on the day, that we were going to go higher. We did have some this bearish fair value gap, this high time frame bearish fair value gap. That's kind of where I thought market was going to want to end. Oh my gosh, I can't even speak right now. That's where I thought market was going to want to head, especially after filling in this and then breaking structure to the upside on the 4-hour time frame. I thought market was going to try to want to head up here, but let's get into that a little bit later. So we already went into the 1-hour draws, right? So we had this 1-hour bullish fair value gap as well, and this was making me bullish. I wanted to see a retrace back into this 1-hour fair value gap here, along with this 1-hour order block right here. So we have this order block, the move down before the move up. So here's our 1-hour order block, 1-hour fair value gap. I wanted to see price coming down into here before making a move up. And then also we had our equilibrium as well, which by the time market opened, we were in equilibrium, and we were in our fair value gap as well, our targeted fair value gap. Scroll down to the 15-minute, or let's just start on the 30-minute time frame. You can see that we broke structure to the downside. And then we also had this fair value gap right here, this 30-minute fair value gap, which price respected and continued going lower. That should have been one of the signs that maybe price wanted to go lower today, but on the higher time frames, it just didn't look like that. We had this 15-minute draw on liquidity. This is, I marked this out before market opened. This is also halfway mark between this fair value gap right here, right? So I wanted price to push down, sweep out this liquidity, which we did end up doing. Oops. When market opened. Market opens, take out this liquidity, big leg down, completely fill in the rest of this fair value gap that we're looking for, and then also tap into this order block. We have a decent sized, or we have a decent reaction off of that. Now I'm just on the lower time frames waiting for something a little bit better than what I got. I don't know why this is all the way over here. It's right there. Okay. So what had happened is, boom, leg down into the order block. We start respecting it. We create this fair value gap here. All right. We did end up disrespecting it, and that should have been my second sign that, hey, we're probably not bullish today, is we just disrespected a fair value gap. But nevertheless, I was just waiting for a break of structure. I thought this just wanted to take out more liquidity. See, sweep right here of this 1-minute draw on liquidity. So I thought, hey, maybe we just wanted to take out more liquidity. I waited for a break of structure, got the break of structure, entered right here on this candle, put my stop loss below here, below this low right here. Had my first take profit at these 15-minute highs. Are those 15-minute highs? No, I'm straight tripping. Straight fucking tripping. nevertheless, I had first take profit right here at that, not 15-minute highs, 5-minute highs. My apologies. First on liquidity at these 5-minute highs, second take profit at these 1-hour highs, and then fourth take profit at the 4-hour highs. But you can see, as you can see, we enter the trade, market starts pushing up and up and up, and then take out these highs right here, sweep them out, and then we end up falling down, and I got stopped out. So I ended up losing this trade today. Yeah, that's about it. First trade back in a month and a half, 2 months. So I'm really not tripping about it. First loss, last loss of 2024. If that's how I could describe this year, it would be that. You know, actually, I wouldn't even call it a loss. I would call it a whole bunch of lessons. Because I've learned so many lessons this year. And this is probably one of the most valuable years of my life. Not even going to lie. I've learned so much this year. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I really don't know much else to say to that. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, and we'll be sure as hell back for 2025. I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited for the holidays to be over so we could finally just lock the fuck in for these next 11 months until the holidays come back around again. But I'm really excited to lock back in. I'm really excited to start working again. Like, I just kind of felt like a little lazy fuck this past couple weeks because I feel like I haven't had any purpose or anything to work for the past couple weeks. So I'm really excited to be back. So if you guys enjoy this video, drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Peace.